Hi guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to set timer on and timer off on TCL air conditioner remote control. Now the process is quite simple, but keep in mind that the way the TCL air conditioner remote control is structured, there is no clock feature, so you do not have to set a clock based on your time zone. To actually set a timer on the TCL air conditioner, you have to make sure that the air conditioner is turned off, and to set a timer off, you have to make sure that the air conditioner is turned on. So mine is currently turned on, so to set a timer for it to be able to turn off by itself, you just have to tap on the timer button at the bottom over here, and you're going to see the hours start to blink, 6.5, which actually means 6 hours 30 minutes. I can now adjust the hours using the temperature up and temperature down button. I will tap on the timer again and now use the temperature up to adjust it to 7 hours 30 minutes, 8 hours 8 hours 30 minutes, and you can actually do this all the way to 24 hours. So basically the AC is going to turn off in the next 24 hours by itself. You can adjust it according to your need, and as soon as it is set, you're going to see it on your TCL air conditioner remote control. You do not have to do anything, and you're also going to see the timer icon at the bottom over here. Now if you want to set a timer for it to turn on by itself, the AC has to be turned off. So if I go ahead to turn it off with the power button, now to set a timer for it to be able to turn on by itself, you just have to get your remote control one more time, tap on the timer button again and again on the remote control. You're now going to see the hours is going to be on the display board, and then on the remote control, if I tap on it, you can see that the hours is also blinking. So I can use the temperature up and temperature down button now to adjust the time according to my need. So I want it to turn on by itself in the next 1 hour or in the next 30 minutes. Now all you just have to do is to let it be, and automatically it's going to be set on your TCL air conditioner display as well. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.